In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a divider line in Notion. A divider is a simple horizontal line that helps separate sections of your page, making content easier to scan and more organized. This quick method relies on Notion's built-in formatting, and once you know it, you can drop clean breaks between ideas in seconds. Start by placing your cursor where you want the divider to appear. Press Enter to create a brand new line. Creating that empty line is important because it tells Notion that what you're about to type is a standalone element, not part of the text above. If you try to add the divider at the end of a sentence without a new line, Notion may treat it like ordinary characters, and you won't get the clean horizontal rule you're expecting. With your cursor on that blank line, press the minus key on your keyboard 3 times in a row. That's the hyphen key. Type them consecutively with no spaces before or after. As soon as you do, Notion automatically converts those 3 hyphens into a solid divider line. You'll see a neat horizontal rule stretch across the text area, clearly separating the content above from what comes next. If it doesn't convert right away, double-check that you're on a fresh line and that you typed exactly 3 hyphens without extra characters. Next, make sure there aren't any indents if you want the divider to span the full width of the text field. An indent can happen if the line is nested under another block or shifted to the right. Look at the left edge of the divider. If it's pushed in, it's indented. Place your cursor at the very start of the divider and remove the indent so the line aligns with the main left margin. Once it's flush, the divider will run cleanly across, giving you that full-width look that separates sections more clearly. That's all there is to it. Press Enter to create a fresh line, type 3 hyphens, and make sure the divider isn't indented. This small technique can make a big difference in readability, especially on longer pages where you're grouping related ideas or moving from one section to another. Use it whenever you want a visual break without adding extra clutter or complex formatting. With this in your toolkit, keeping your Notion pages structured and professional becomes fast and effortless.